How to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to open up your Roblox application, and once inside, you can just go ahead and choose any experience or game to open. In my case, I'll go ahead and select something random right here like Dress to Impress. Hit on the play button and wait for the game to load in. Basically, right after that, you will then be taken to the Roblox game right here. You can just go ahead and click on the Roblox icon at the top of your screen. And once inside, you want to click on settings. Inside settings, the closest thing that we have to shift lock is by changing the camera mode right here. So you can just click on this arrows and it will change the camera mode from default to classic. Now classic is the closest thing that we have to shift lock. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.